Hey everybody, welcome to R. Davis. As you can see, I did finally get my baler in. Today I'm sorting and baling some clear strawberry containers, PET material. All we do is we bring it in by the Gaylord. If you have post-industrial product like similar to this that I could use and bale, all we do is break it down. With the green fence in China, you no longer can send single source plastic over. So what I'm offering for anybody who has Gaylord product, I could bring it in here, sort it, bale it, and ship it and sell it, and get around the green fence issues everybody's having. It's not rocket science, as everybody knows, it's just a baler. The bales, they asked them to be 1,000 pounds, and with that, it takes about 3 of these Gaylords to do 1,000 pounds. It is tedious and boring. But it's what it is. Right now it's just me doing this, and I'm still trying to be the bagman, so I can only dedicate an hour or two a day sorting this plastic and getting this out. If I get enough product in and I can justify hiring a few folks part-time, that's great. I know things are funky right now with the economy, but I can't be in 2 places at once. I need to be Ron the bagman, not Ron the recycler. So if you have product that I could use and enough of it that I can hire someone to do this part-time, let me know. Because as you can see, job's not hard.